Welcome aboard our yacht, Simply Wild. Whether you wish to join us by parachute, helicopter or at the marina, your experience on board will be memorable. Seasoned or learner sailors will enjoy their time with hands-on team building or relaxing and enjoying the romantic feel of being on the ocean. The fantastic Abel Tasman coastline offers many and varied activities. Tramping and walking, kayaking and swimming. Customise your own memorable experience. From 1 or 2 friends to a party of 20, we can do it all. Sailing on a half-day experience. Maybe it's a romantic overnight interlude for just the 2 of you, or a week-long charter. At Gourmet Sailing, we can do it all. On board, enjoy our friendly hospitality with exquisite, delicious food and stunning wines.
Yeah, it was really awesome.
No, I just sat back and had some fun. That's what it's all about, I think.
Yeah, I had a great time today. I'd definitely recommend it.
For information and bookings, go online to our website, gourmetsailing.co.nz. Your memorable experience is just a click away.